Godina boy.
What to be that? Yeah, be phone lines, phone lines. What a Facebook what area designer
area.
What's to be a man?
And we here.
Or be what to be any designer exists here. A year back in the days.
San Ombrutier, James Brown, and a 007 woman use Umbro, and I'm not catch.
What's your own brother? That's it. Na area.
Me wa mo power crowd.
Na area.
Me ni bi.
Enti yanko enu.
On Italy oko na yare aba ho.
O ma won tell because of the
they wa kan kra ombro friends snake na me won kra me to Italy.
O to Italy.
Me to Italy.
How kra pon ombro na di hene o hanya area o.
Ni hene o.
Area o di obi ampe.
Ni hene o.
Enti area na
company crimes o say egu.
Na yare na ya tade na brain na say ya. Obi ya
asie na aka no.
Ya de kra ye ntwa ya no
Modeka
na just so the brain e free ya ton wan ya tuaka.
Ena aye kasa no. Ba mo league dey bia o mo dey be no.
Pilot. Ya Saturday to kohwe kumase. Obi e pe bi ato.
We should use anum for sisim dodo. Nti o we say singlet na de be shemu.
Na me ma de no so for.
Hey,
na ti be ma ni nufo na be ma ho den.
O say oba na sha atare na ne po bobom say ya ka mu tuna so. Kwabran he say de onufu sisi atare. As we ye dipo.
Amenya announcement ni no ato aso.
Announcement be.
Dipo ni
e float no. Kumasi for.
Did I don't now so dey grant me. Your baby and cry no be one announcement. Jama isha for isha for.
Obi abotwi.
Anti hwan pa na ne bre mu Ghana. Obefa ka free as oku float Kumasi.
Kumasi for na eye o.
Ana o ma so ma se be kan ha.
Nanka. Ye wo group, ye WhatsApp group. I discussing ye mawo. It means I can me for to dwa. Kwaku. Ye di ani sa ko sa afini be kwa wie ye.
When you wala.
Yeah, you wala. Yeah. What's happening na ka go mami. Yeah, di
me mo se me.
When you wala. Yeah, di ani sa ko si say.
Oh, obeni wa aboma wi anu obokotokonyo na ma mesero. Kotokonyo de si so bo obeja adwuma.
Ozo be kom.
Adwuma na sham de say. Yeah, mo league e mo onwe ensan ka so pe onwuma mi.
Kotokware.
Oh, na de o ye go yin.
Na league ya ji over the years bia no okra mo ben ye.
I couldn't say FA Cup, the whole Ghana team bia nyese akra so fo. But because from the game
na FA Cup no so ye cup.
Africa.
And now ye nya sponsors.
Even Africa.
Africa here.
Africa ya je do say.
Dodo say na je.
Ma je say o.
Wo je dodo say Africa mienu no aje.
Na wa je say.
Mesuma je mienu.
Oh. Obani jai. Kwaku
Super Cup na o kan dey fine.
Kwaku ye
Super Cup ka ho.
Kwaku ye be koyi wa hu. Africa ya ye koyi.
Woni wan na eko.
Ya nkoye hwe kura na oba bi ekotoko duru san ye no.
Na so go nya na adwo so be say ska bia bi mu.
Wow, what are you talking about? See if league nyanko Africa.
I just odwene no o kaso on kwa ade na be no.
And no penifo say omukoto players foforo just for Africa.
Wan na ka kire o.
And no.
Mo players na o no krom so moko. Omo tell me nim guase ma na sia.
Kwakukai.
Obani.
We dey obro from tell me person can come message.
Obani me so my story ha. House of
also we are the Banama kind. Okay, so Hearts of Folk board member Frank Nelson has confirmed that the club will seek to strengthen the playing body in anticipation of the CAF Champions League campaign.
You got players go. Me player be me perceive ro me per Messi.
Hey.
And you have a squad now. You need.
Hey.
Obani. Na jame argument dem. Onse me nua na ho mfa no. Me nua me onse na ho mfa no.
Wa say no be free. Man say o say Messi be kotoko. Na man say jam wa bodam. Ensi kwaku nti penifo say we are going to strengthen our playing body. Yes I know can.
Yeah.
So that we can go to Africa and perform. Not to go and get to the road and come back. I am for him.
Alright.
Yo kromo ne tebri Ghana ska otum for tem bi kan ho na me ko tena ayi na me ko hye mo se na mo bae man ko bohu ye de ye nkoye saa e wo Yesu dim no ye beku yanim akodim kunim edim kunim die abra Ghana ne Africa eno ho asem eno no.
Thank you.
Kwaku
owi
wo asem uni asem am won sem bebre
owi mi story na break kwaku na
kwaku ane ene no en se da nya research saa but aye nimdie bi a me pese me de ma aye ye nua no ma se be ka frache o ma fa afuro ene ma bia ense se ufa afuro a oye a emwa afuro na wafa no na dem say radio there say radio is to entertain, educate and idea bi
inform
it as part of the education am de ma no e bi eni enti say we obi a wafa afuro na wo plans say wo be fa afuro yi wasun etie sa ensem ya edidi fi and they say yes your bar na ofoforo a aya entai emma ade so ade mu ye duru entai enkukuru sanse okukuru a e de pressure ama wo chibremu yi bremu no so hu ne sa na no ka ho na soso ne mamu ma nyinsan no egina nti your bar menye sa afei sa vacuum here the clinic carpet so yi akra de nya common nya sa no mfre no ade bia wo pia nya na
common Hoover no common
Hagrofo tell you so me comtia so me use
you need ade ana just nya
oh who say me my common there so who say so for him fa o tie no so sham
me obi
a we use one
obi
and until you nyem a
ensu mi ade we use abechiche nwanse na who say no Dabi I know say mframa na as a briefing on na etwi no ntu ya
obi na ofa furu
anzampo bi no
anye wa adwuma ne say wo de sa ade no ebedi agro nte say aya odo
we want to put rose that's so crazy oh David
I don't know and afei ba ko biem so ne say ye wo chemicals be the clinic fee detergents ni ade no detergents
okay
kwaku
oh yeah ko anim obi aka bibi obi anka hwe
ya chemicals be we dey clean ya no ya tin sa wo nyem ho a and so we use those chemicals no especially the chlorine wo bebre no what I did agora ebetimi ama ahaw ne wo ba no ne nyinsan ni nyina
okay
no so amanfo entie na amon hye ne so na afei de edi ho biem ade na yema so na meka ho asem no e de obe maso but o maso make sure so du kotodwe na yema so nya usisi kwaku so they all lift metals and you know what I'm talking about you lift with your knees not your waist you know what it takes to lift with your knees you only kneel and then
yes obia by unza na lazy in doing that
okay
and I say far day of form pentem ideally you far day of form you need to bend your knee and not your waist what I say
okay and offense when you for fruit pa the relation between you and your pets that's already here and come any namwa awo emoa bia omutimi ebetimi apase amawo abra wonyem ebetimi ha wohinsen
somro ana
nya somro pe se omwo
even kra embo ho wu na ewo mo se kra no kra nya kra
nti wodi apemfo ewo krum a emfa we entom kotodwum na ano so omoche
this bra ayi makola be apemfo so ne ma wo
it's not that I do one but I didn't obey no kwakunya so wodi ma wo yare o wonyare
David Ando se me kan chem se ochia mo pa na so guso a otie mu den pa ya
so ya danas abani na mo match ya kai mo da be bo
so the more e betim 6 points ama ya league ni
obi da sibi musa za no enti kotoko match no amu se petro akobo sa ayo obi na musa nti wasem ya ka choni ba ko nyame na obeka
ma nipa ntias yes league na ebo ni emonwie even as we speak omo ebeko relegation ko enya hu omo nwie onto see abo last match
but ya hunu because baby any goal
omo qualify no pokra aka ai some other team bi
they have qualified ya one another
ba ko 3
na beba
3 na beba 3 beko yeah 3 beko na 3 aba
kivesa oyeyo
o David kivesa onko ne last match na I think onya draw cry obeka
na wanye
olusu dia obeko olusu dia obeko
kotoko dia se benye chose mo ni genuine mo kivesa up to now have problem with the
na mo Liberty dia na genuine
Liberty is a big club Liberty plays
me say a question na me bisa obani ka ansem
go o de share dwarfs keeper no kutukutu ball no say ya ne kura net ntf say o de say o na o kan ayi genuineness african reference o benya fia kokosua na me no mienu dabi fia ko de na e kama me no mienu
portrait no de bodu
digit me no mienu o jema has me mu bi
me modua
why aka float to ground to
and wa ko edede
and the woman is say house of folk can we ya wa fa for be say wo mo party no me kai say maybe ni agi league bi o say cup bi sa last match and crime say na ga ka to for na bi sa and has either say na esuhwane ana say Cape Coast ya je ade na wie o enso asefo hye ya ma ade ne sa ya num
abi de ensa ya num
nyame adom no mokọ ayi a soga kope no ma hwe ya enkodai kwa ko show mo 5 ne ya o mo show mo na mi
e kra be pese kwese kwa o mo ko mo mo last game no ya say kra nya it's a done deal. I'm saying 15 goals score for league no.
Wanna catch it?
I'm telling you, those are the facts on the paper. On the face of the pink sheet, you know. Almost 10 million krona has half a league, you know.
You need to more points, you.
Yes, I said I don't ask for Krakow. I'm here to go and I don't know so much. You go with see boys now because you're African.
Oh, Nanka next league, Gambo said the other 20 and number. Oh, good league now. League now, and then you go as any sponsor. No, say we go anymore. Oh, the other
yeah. A genius idea because
some can say Sunday special and magic. I feel the own.
If you said my papa even saw league, the Bianca Safa League no basa.
Okay, minister, deputy minister.
Oh, yeah, deputy minister.
Nafi o
I na make in chess na make here.
I saw this video.
What to see as a Columbia 15 years or so on Accra Academy on say one.
Police for action.
Also no idea.
On I also just to school no.
Asana on one admit it.
1 year now once be 4 times.
And I'm say on one admit it.
On one I confess say on no was school.
Why is also on school?
That's a school also on corner man so on ko ntino. Also ya no o twa no.
Say school ni ho a won ha na adwen. Adwen wa kola ntim.
At that young age.
Yes.
Iradiation.
The police were investigating. Kwaku we say brofo we Asin say correct.
Yeah.
And obi o yes I defend arsonist. It's a colano or ye arsonist.
Kwame.
Yeah.
Na one da phone using.
Or ye arsonist. And this is it's a typical Kwaku Membuano.
David
Ono so hwe
Kwaku.
Oh me
fa ye ni say
me camera mu e mane makram.
Hey, how to say na wo hwe fu akoko.
David, when if yakoko.
Obi e tuma na wo hwe fu akoko yi.
We if yakoko. Me kwa na mi schooling na akwakoto. Ba bi ni papa. Your friend is there.
Di din na yi ka. Emma yi kwa kan di ho.
Why?
Again, we are the man you can
unpredictable among crowd na oba no ka.
Yeah, we yan kasa di na mecho no.
Why o krumwa. Me.
Fun chose one. Oh, no,
eh minimum no.
Minimum ne da.
Me say we inu mu say we mu say there.
Me hu kra me batra. Obi ani. Eni abre ofo say o say Facebook ubi say ya no say live ho. Ntuti me call live obi a no aso esi ni so. No di atem no kan say mu. Ene o ya brante, o ya baba wa. Obetime di mrewa ne nkokora ne obi a atem. But kai say o ba be akokora ama akola kitikiti bi so adi watem. Ho no
na we
atem ye obedi ya na beba mu no. Enye ya okeke na obenya wo mu. Ya wa yare ni ade di agire. Na et wa oh yes. Ti de o ye ne nebia kai say dachi. Say eye papa
ofutu de minso ka me listed din ma
o da bia hu nya so be listed din tete hu nya so be listed din say ene ya say enipa bebre ye nioma bebre but the other be ya de be ju din na no ha wo chena no ne be sie o
kwa kunim say on position man so eno na Ghana for pe o
say no eno so
omo pe no omo Ghana phone na because me say
enti hwe ye shebre
so for principal 7 views obi odi atem 2 million for
and I'm saying enti hwe ye it tells you how serious we are as a country enipa na ewo mu na ya eni abre person o man ye no eni ma eni ji hu ni enye ayi apostle Kojo Safo a wo ye ka ana say obi a wo ya de papa bi nipa a odi nsem hu ene ye ni ji hu enti eno ne ebehwe wo hwe obi a odi nsem hu so a eno ntimi ema hu nu ka ye eno ntimi ma wo man ni ntumpon eno nti so ne tie ABC mu no ti sane ma na ye asoma ye focus so se adwen wo so eno ne ebehwe ne mo a ese ya
kwa kuna me kasa akola ni issue no aside ni pade from arsonist na de so mo ye ne so o pe doctor e de ma no ye wa bi wa akola ketu akora uzi abrochi na se akola bi fa atuo kokun ni pa wa so de mo se de bibire sa nkrofo ni nyina sa yare ni bia no o obi a ope ade seye o ka
be arsonist they no just say yare
a mental health issue. A purely mental health issue.
Psychological.
We
are a psyche in ye.
Oh, here, doctor, apart from the police for you, doctor, man. Now you're shen, I dream ye. Now you're one or so. Yes, I did go school 10 or but school 10. And I go be out when you're mounted to when you're toilet.
Mon school, then I come as man on Shino. What's one pay school? What's one go school by force? Mo pay school.
Any kind of nanka won to na say.
Mo pay school na ko ma so. One shino. Obe jai.
Me pa so ba me pa kwanya so na me wish Mr. Azu a happy birthday.
Yeah.
And name Mr. Azu Awoda. Nti mi gina me se Azu. Any Tamas kitchen phone nyina ani aggregated team nyina. Uza agencies. And then na Marison happy.
Obani headlines be out here na yareho. As a man dies on the spot after DNA test on son comes back negative.
Say a home pressure.
Right on the spot, very fine.
Obewu.
Eba as negative no na chere say.
Such as any dia.
Anya ne ba no ti kum. Kill dies. Collapse die.
Akwa so na odidi papa.
So
didi papa ni butu.
Kwala na anya ne ba no an.
Asemu.
Na ku sa na wo ho yeso
ba no ma fo no do mu didi o.
What ya hwewu.
Oh yeah. Especially if you on time check BP ni.
Ade efu sana shock what I say
obi dey
ade shocking sana
obu an yam shi na onya erection
ene se kan yende
na say erection no dey
ko ya la ko horror film
there be say erection no dey ko
obu an yam shi na erection no nya
so ni pa no onya girl ko horror film
unim say ayi mi free ministry si be padi bi ton tinchinga o National Theatre opposite na as a for Sutherland Park hono na minim so no sheda kodwom kodja ponche ne hwe anan ko ahwa no asiresi na wa ade ne so bebre me bo akire hwe ne say e ma na o ministries no so ba o ba crowd so to ahon en fama ho because e ma na shedada
oba pe hwa sa de
na say nti oba de oba o wani age hwe ho sa se eno na ode makopete ho
se eno no betimi are se ayi na kasa de ori a enyeyi nti no
dompe wo
na bi enu eno yentingu a
twa dompe
me na yi no
ba openi wo ya me den se hwe apa me we o
o bisme na mpa no nyina se me sin ya
so we a yeso we for nsa hwe de nti we a we
de me we a me hwe me de mu aponche hwe ma bi
bi na so hwe obi hwe
na aponche we liba
na I say they see boy nya the same thing
yeah the difference wo
ade bi wo tse kosua
eh ade nyango
ade bi wo tse kosua
ade enko anum de
bibi wo tse kosua
na o de guso nde o ya ba do tam holy sa na na we de
sana ma na we no obi scratch me kana apete eguno
apa eguno
kwa ko mikita tweet bi wo hawa hu efri Marcus Rashford so ni Rashford
yeah
na I say England lose no lose you no ase omo pa
na wo asembe na kenchen say
adi racism nyina abi wuram etwa boy ne mpoa na tweet what tweet no say you are stupid if you allow a monkey to represent you but more stupid if you blame it on the monkey. I thank all my teammates for the support. And they say ni page no abrofide monkey tweet kuno
enye news say fitie enra na ya dada but the thing is that adna escalate abro omomo so
the king of Shua as any message
Dr.
Benjamin Ochirankra
Dr.
CP1 talking about goat balls
yeah
dog the only say there walk for
you come in and catch you mean so
that cash pa
upon church assembly
ya ku wa no time pa na man ko di time pa ana on man na we contract ana na me so me friend na busa no usi time man yi wa he no time pa
they say na nu mu bie
za
yeah na nu mu bie pa the teacher for there man you can say want me enye millionaires ina
na sa dem no enye editing won na na do akasa the cast asem
na asem no kan so mo a
kwaku what you say
asem no kan what
Matie pa na me force bia obi na edit asa
obi a edit asa no
kan e na do akasa ti na
da bi who ko di teacher now so di teacher be millionaire
ale so me ti be millionaire
obi da millionaire
nje so ono teacher for ya bro bo nye
teacher de ye na teacher na ka obi ja ba be FM
o ka so ma ka se ye to ba ko ye bo me se de And my taxi driver, that's not to be died.
Edi usa.
No, Castle.
Sadia meba. Sadia Sase we will say, oh, me did teach them you ma be ama ko. Eno
me man ka bi da. Me man ka.
Mama doc en kasaka kana yetene nkache na yento aso.
Midindi Benjamin Ochre Ankara. Mecha de Central University. I irrigated sports there. A sports without limit. When tibia minia ayo. I irrigated sports. And no anamity.
What? Nyano bia. We I say today is my wife's birthday. Nidine ye Sprendilon Stefani. Sprendilon. Stefani. The first time I met his head in Sprendilon.
Spell me.
Sprendilon.
If you are not the hospital man, you should spell it.
Sprendilon. Sprendilon. Capital letter. You can't send it, but not for the mistake. I'm saying beam. Once I send it the same thing. Free Richard Bosheba, Connecticut. Connecticut? Yeah.
Connecticut.
Yeah. I say, on any wife in a Church of Pentecost, Danbury Assembly, Connecticut. Yeah. Sprendilon, Stefani. Yituche the man Charles T is also New Jersey. One also see uti pa. Becky police tema and was say hey. Shwane de when we oh yes.
Akagudu so obian so ntimi nkọ to ba ka say opemana yi minimum ba be kona mayom kita ki some church
there be o but aponche e ba de na nkasa no bekum abo na wie achiche ho awie di ayenkwan na ayira kura na atwon na se enso sa enye
Eliza empeja o de ndi empeja ko
eti won be wie no edankwan mu kura what I say sa na akwa
eti untimi se de nyane se de nya hwa ni
de bi eno no de e na ye bi kakra
se kuna se a amampanifo yi yase ko mo miska bi na kwa ba ko ni yiri ko bisa no twofo no so yoro je kufo ni ma kura ntimi ma twofo o mo kura ba mo twofo mi na kwa kwa so mo sa discount ko back
enye omonji ska bia o
ska de no mo jida dada
eno no mo so mo refunded ever since on be first lady and second lady na no dem but the current one na come ye am eno pokura de omunyanji eno bi mpokura bo ye
ka back de check 2017
ena me ka che o se omo se wanye
ase mo mi kokonye
it is ska no de ma
si wakoka ho ye aka no
daddy o ma ka do be fa do ma yo
ena ye na me atiem dia twi na me ka no me say sisi no
na unze esa na o ye the pressure
ena me kan wakoka mo aka say omo aka no pressure bomb so
credit discount ba na ka mo da
sisi se ba mi wife so no so sa ena sisi na me ka sisi future ba ya unti news o sisi pressure ba manfo say eyi lodina de nkwa no mo man pressure no when say be ya ofa nko no
na me say omo hu ano nti be hu
Debbie now they onu de mpu na oka lima wife mu Debbie onu de kwa kwa say nche lima wife mu na ade aluma ma wife na yi mama test emu de yi
won nyina wrong
emu de woni de tell na kwa wo nyina ne say de tell wo de kon say omo de da so wa
fix the country e kan nyina won tina
but adwuma bi mo de pa o yati akadwuma yi se dati bia ya kontra trafia kabusumi bi suna bonus bi ye kakra nanka won ya pone kakra
adwuma we ye ne wo wi ye ne wo wi forever and ever
Charlie adwuma wi de
o ma ko tusu so adwuma ni bi mu a e tin kan to
so
why di card no nya ko di mpanifo nsema obewura mu kura no a
kan ade abe ya ne se bia obi ye program na obebu din no achia o na obi nya yi na ya announcement
yeah, semo.
But kwa kumi dem force scan they don't if you are entitled to the money they don't need to return the money. Yeah, in force be amo yak send public
I say pe
enipa yankomodie okuri mu asai so ebufuo ne empoa ne ateni na doso so nti wa ho bibi du atema ma na aka nso no ti wo hwe na ewo ho dia na dia ba but seka ye twabo nkrofo no mu discover dia ane nka
yentu chama Henry Nati otie dwumadie no ewo Chicago sabia efa enchia so kwa mu hwam
nye so so etu awie
anto so wotua ando ana no so bonye no famre
and they say court asem eno no yes all fitin ya akwa ye bibi gidigidi asem na kokot
akwa Hollanda
yeah be 2 or 3 times cry
oh en pe wo ma brabo hu ni sen
me hu normal so mo bombra
normal ese ho ayi akikiri okuru adina ko mton na bonten ade
ye wo ba bia ton no but de wo betimi a consume now ye nton ma yimbo
na akra consume no ko mo titi consume no
say na emra ma ho kwan say ho de emra na allow for them
for the omo eton no so de obedu na wan ahye age ho nyina
obedu okwa manfo ato santen ma nyina didi mo obi e koton de
wo say wo ani akase omo prisons ne yatutu because ye nya criminals amfo mu nti ya kire me say ase kromu ha no enkofo de onko prison bebre ho a so petty bebre recently almost close to 25 prisons so
bebre kra ho
no Amsterdam
ye ni o masem
ese omo nya criminals fantum ti no ye mwesi da no ne yatutum and so ho anso ne say nyema we nyina wo ho ya still no omo nya criminals
ya won me enfa bi mfi
oh to be Portuguese last 2 years oh ye import
abofun de omo ye
oh import two prisoners from other places
but when me for when fi Africa sa na de ente but within omo am ho Europe no
ka police for na de handcuff go go on that
see the ship we see some prison say yeah the prisoners wonderful na you mum prisoners
near come up prisons near
oh yeah
nice pa
Legon hostel
prisons Legon hostel
me ba ku bi o Italy say otimu say come kan na me hwa din am
so what
abone for you when wa hi
yeah most of
some prisons
yeah they no board no nye enu ade ni bi on dem chew na
o say ye hwe movies ye kwa en ko de hwe movies ayu yes santa ade ya hazure jama de odi be wura mu na odi be pio o busu sa gwagude so ta ko so busu
so
and so mo say uniform won
omo uniform dem but there are times I be kono mo hye omo
ta de so mo I think say hwe emre ni mu yie ni ja say ye jeli nkofo banchi ni mankani ni za la ya
obi akowia doko
double ni e obi akofo years
say unza ha your fine system no enhye da ade bia we ya na ka fine na ya fine
no asa verdict odi afonti judge
bio aya no so a eno ne kana ya ne gina hwe akoye no abeka so de hama abobi ade a wo wia motu no wia enhye da nye ade bia e ba de hwe kwan a ofa
so no
so tiase kwan a ofa so a wo wia de odi awumpo it ni pase ya chinna ko tu uzanzo ya de so moto na mko wia ye
ba ye church kwa ofa
na ye ne nam so de ko wia ye no
nti eto da bia ya na eno so ya de ya ha
but still obi anim say system dey system dey boa system pa be boa man ko for mo aton because nsamu na ye mani nya bebre na crime no chada nya crime
be kwa de ye chi nipa na ze o ya ne do makugu nsamu mu adwuma na wo kuro mu bebre kuro mu ye fin tinke tigumu a ya abroche communal sentence wo ho runi ya mani bia mana no
o mo de mo ba
ba do krom
na no ma ku bia mi che na so de chese e de mo ba krom sa no a order na kasa ti bi ne ko gato na wa ko tua wi e genesis mu ma okwa no akọ ne o ma ton no diska na ma order no
o so ba kasa
he saw it on live radio and live tv e bo order ni din so mo ba krom be do an ko be do se no mo do piece of money mo we o mo wie pa no mo de ne ko gato o ma fe ne to we know ya to say 100 10 people or compensate go say
na so o kasa o mpena jinchina o do be shoto
na bi so no so o so onya favor o order na nimiti no o so ho prison won dey just because aduma na o nimiti e gina ba no kasa ase no to o say ho no we are turn 5 cedi abonte no o de call 30 cedi yam 3 million mobile phone yam 3 million
why a business
what you small go konko ade 3 million and you have to be free prison because
na yes ayi MTN fraud money sister ni on do na no when we inside on mo ye ba
yes one ye fit on e
ba we are say onyango ntia ko ye tia ka won so na
but sister ni on London
na ye na watching because ya bo akwase ya watch mi uni
ka ti wa temo he o ma no ya no
you go for ma ya
wa temo ma wa say atem
na no apolo ka de mo musia tem de ka ho kwaku why mo kwabro ti o ti kwabro bia nso bia kono ya na aduane bia odi na fa wo yam
maybe betimi afa yo ba me nim specifically bia e aduane bia
ba bo ka se bitimi ba say na bibi kakra bia na
it depend so wan kasa wan hwe unim de open na unim de ompe enye say ahankwa na baba be di bibi betimi afa yam ho so betimi adi bibi ama betimi afa yam e bia adekode no e bia unse enye obia allergies ankasa enye obia na nim ne dewu it's just some few people na nti adibo betimi akwa akodi ubedi awie no ansana wahu eso e bia sa time na ma wadwum se eye we ya na we ya odi enti na me ekobasa nti obeka so obia Ghana nsuo nye na hwan ezi na be no eso obi kura na mfi nsuo no oh de se de tie
na kwa ma mentia Ruby Adman Kelenta they say the Ghana makola wa Ghana na mentia no na mentia se ho etese woni abusua ne kai ni nyina
all right
mentia ayi so nana ya so ewo Seattle ani oledi ni kwada na aka ni nyina afi so me babre show odi birthday last Saturday na mantimi ama anti no mantimi ase da an wish no man happy birthday nyankopon to ne nkwadam na onyi nchemetia one kwada na aka ni
all right ene na Faustina Asamoah aka Ama Bomfo ono so efi America lande wo Ghana sabri obutu Kumase so ose otie show no den on the internet
Dixon so
ono so Dixon of Dixon Barber Saloon yeah etuche de mono so abusu fast that kese my proud sponsors na fi ento asonko Royal Drinks I say you go like na ni nyina ne say your Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Apple as well as Royal Cocktail. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cities, 50 pesos. Nations will say, way another quality product. Yeah, if you Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door 0262 351 251 and 0272 133 373. Now, yeah, just near sort you out. Come up. Yeah, fast day, do my Go TV. Go TV say, and can't you say, open football, papa. They are actioning now Go TV. Say La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, ne they are canning now. Yeah, they home commonly na bro. Away Go TV. Tiano Abamodea connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities were bro using my Go TV app. Na bibi etimiako ye the amount. Go TV. Love it. Afi fast day dioma Imboost Herbal Mixture. Imboost Herbal Mixture. AKA Police Linedro. Pa. When you be away, a boy multi build a strong immune system. Heavy power. Na say boy. Na yare wa ho do asiesie oni paduana kwa babiano. A clean ni na de free or the amount. Na ho de mapa etimi amba system no. Ye kan fo de amount bibia. Ecos Pharmacy, Udama Pharmacy, Kings Walk Herbal, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Allied Shop at St. John, and our field board room away. Tema Community 5, a Little George Health Shop, also ABL. And yes, our phrase 0243 115 948, and our phrase 0246 208 496. The best sort out, come on. You know what I'm saying? Debbie, me catch you say my whole crime. Nah, I'm on some Mastercard. Wait me there, did you media be a wood dear? Come on, our brass in be a maho. And a Mastercard demo, I'm waiting me up room. And a local joint outway. Wait me a dining local. Yes. Go on and awaken your senses. Our bra will take you a big juicy bite. Any exclusive diet I would we say go and you now enjoy beer. Also let me taste the passion put into making unforgettable meals. Our bra will support local businesses. What I say, small businesses near the idea. I met me a group and now all fast at the air dining local. Nations say food is beyond what we eat. It's an experience. So bring your taste back to life with Mastercard and start something priceless. Come on, damn, I'm so my team at the irrigated sports every hour. I will feel quasi media so I don't 106.3 FM. Some few that is not for you to us on our queen.
Open Gangnam Style.
A happy birthday going out to Na Day Kase. Nyampong.
Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady.
Na ye ma aye awodapa.
Open Gangnam Style.
Na ni nyina no se
Open Gangnam Style.
Nana Yirinchi the first aye Mampong. Akuapem apes makahene. Say o ma dan kwa ahwode mapa eni enhira ewumu. Na fe so me say eno ana eja osan de bampri nu so. Special shout out encore Emma James Nana Afo. James Nana Afo. Or Total Service Station. Ashaman motorway toll booth. Total Service Station. And now James Nana Afo. Special greetings going out to you, bro. Jerry, good evening. How are you doing? Yes, I'm good. Yesterday. Joe, I say we are okay. I'm fine to be answer now. And special greetings going out to Mr. Andronic. Oh, Tema. Boss, we have to say, I do believe say BBI cool.
Open Gangnam Style.
Yamenka. I'm sure baby Edway. You better na yaso ye bodium kakra na ye de asdama ya boafo na fe ye ba. Yakabia yakanina de agum na fe ya toaso. Akopem se nunsia bebo ne asres na fe nre nunsia kase bon so abaya kwam.
Junior, and celebrate your everyday bro. Hey, me say 6 months nyame mama enya phone fufu. No so woni media camera ne crash. Junior din 9th anniversary. Na de nyama sonko na eba wa kwam. Inti pekwem bi fa so na fa spread obi. Junior, your everyday delivered.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. In the valleys, keep your head up high. Like a dream with Boomer drinks. Yeah, believe it, you can achieve. Oh yeah, clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make me set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you. Puma Drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Minya, unim say akwanya ni achede ahodo bebre na etwagu Vodafone so. Dial *700# afa hu jimubi. Akwanya no bi ni say woti Ghana ha na wo yi adwuma wa brochen mem. Ana woti Ghana ha na wo ni namfo mo bom favorite esports. Ana say woti wo dem na wo kosu coupon bi e wo wiase mo ha be bia. Ana say wo ni doctor etwetwe komo afo apomode ho abra woti fie. Entena ho bayi ninja fa hu dom Vodafone data na nyimu achede ne akwanya e demo soronko Ghana ha. 5 Ghana cedis na nya 1.23 GB data. Sa data and say copy my bra ube use manasa. 10 cities nenya 3.4 GB data. 20 cities nenya 9 GB data. Dial *700# say see ya.
Vodafone, together we can.
Junior, and celebrate your everyday bro. Hey, me say 6 months nyame mama enya phone fufu. No so woni media camera ne crash. Junior din 9th anniversary. Na de nyama sonko na eba wa kwemu. Inti pekwem bi fa so na fa spread obi. Junior, your everyday delivered.
Capsule wa hodi mensa 3-in-1 power. Ema hunam yaw ni pepu ho no ankasa saint ata. Ibuka po paracetamol. Cafe and ibuprofen. Sen romien say na aka bo mu pe ha. Asans kato yaw dia. Yaw ana malaria sanche ni bi yin ho adi wo ni padua mu asa. Eno an se obefa ibuka. Hunamu be yaw kama ho ato one time. Ibuka po ekra 3-in-1 power. To yaw bia. Say you want to wa Dr. Shalina Healthcare Limited Ghana. And ebo ibuka po de FDA ahwehwe say din krato imaja to mu say yeah.
Many heartaches.
Did you really think that you could keep your new wife a secret for the rest of our lives?
Many headaches. 3 friends. To have and to hold a brand new Ghanaian series exclusive to Aquaba Magic, channel 150 on DSTV every Monday and Tuesday. Get a fully installed DSTV for only 169 Ghana cedis with a month's access subscription and upgrade to the Compact Plus bouquet with 70 Ghana cedis. Aquaba Magic, welcome home only on DSTV.
Opo, nothing. Where the Lotto ana?
Lotto wahi. Me boami sika no ako GRSCA. Na makotua meto. Ansa na da wonu de bewie na dru.
Wo yo ho wo krom ha na. Enti wonnim sessesia, wo betumi atua wo to nyina. E wa bere a wo nko GR office ni mu bia.
Ei sa.
Ane, sesia de eye kokokra. Wo betumi atua wo to nyina wo bank ana abefo kwan so a. Eye www.ghana.gov.gh. Ana bo star 222 hash ewo phone no so na din hihye no so
ena nka me to me shop no me pie no coffee fa phone no bra
tochia enya fusida nam abefu kwan so a www.ghana.gov.gh nitia woto eni to awoji ewo niema wo kraba oman mu no ho ema Ghana Revenue Authority so person di mobile money tia was star 222 hash ewo network bia so ye kono cashless amount. GRA, our taxes, our future.
Hi folks, there are many things to love about Ghana.
I love my market. Yes, Oyalo.
Hey, stop. My paddy Ghana de John.
Football baby.
And now, there is one more. Your favorite Munchable shortcake is now made in Ghana. Ibiwana own, munch into happiness. This advert is FDA approved.
Oba wonenti ehia credit na wan tobia mana obi be use CPA atobia mano abranche wanimra ahoso na akachi
ma wani na ho shine your eye
ba ma wote free dokono e ma oba wona nete no dako ye di mokoya ya ene begu nani
ma wani na ho shine your eye
eye CPA credit alert pe ene mo de sani sora ahomache donko etoto ne niema ye
for star 270 hash CCA na register with ZPay mobile money wallet. You want money sika na mfufoni ebushia for the money ufi approach. Send the sika ko local network via so. Every ZPay mobile money wallet so. After top up airtime, your bills, need your kika home be free. Ubetumi you are man sika free EcoBank, UBA, Absa, Access Bank, First Atlantic Bank, Progress Savings and Loans, CBG, Omni Bank, Ghana Commercial Bank, Prudential Bank, ARB Apex Bank, new mobile money agents, Bebru 150,000 Wamaimwa Fanabe Bia.
ZPay, shine your eye.
Jizzy will finish.
So Charlie, what you go chop?
Me, chop, where? Here. Dabio, I don't eat from outside. I'm going home to my wife's delicious meals. My wife, nobody can match her delicious meals. So, I beg one with fried sauce seasoning tablets, light soup, contour stew, tomato stew, vegetable stew, you name it.
With fried sauce seasoning tablets, taste warm. Wait, I beg, stop. Why? Charlie, we go your house, go chop.
Did I mention her beg one can do the job of the Red Cross?
For meals that will make them sing your praises, choose the new Frital seasoning tablets, available in shrimp, chicken, mixed spices, and tomato flavors. Frital seasoning tablets. Taste warm. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Introducing new Super Yogo, a new fortified frozen yogurt from Fan Milk. Super Yogo contains vitamins and minerals good for your body and well-being, like vitamin B2 and B6, important for overall health and brain development, as well as assisting the body with energy production to keep you going all day long. And calcium for healthy bones and teeth, so you can go that extra mile with a smile. Enjoy natural goodness and nutrition with new Super Yogo, available either plain or an exciting lemon flavor. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Mokasa, Ghana Kasa, Yasifo Kasa, Enipa Ekasa, Ane Mokasa Eye Jumadi Sronkwa Adom 106.3 FM Nipokia 101 concept Eddie Brau our Adom FM so Shano Susanya Nkopo ya Adoma on the 18th July Tieni on the 18th July Ebesi Kwesiada Ede Ebe Shase our Adom FM so Iti Tamu Chuku na shwe ni Prana Bekasa na Mesumen Kasa Nini Anfambom Nenye Gomze Mokasa Yache na chichie wose Ofie kwanso What else? With the
uni buta. Brasso to mu you lose. Career, ina di daddy. Eshe wo mini muntashi. Ye di maneka kwensa na motase. Ye ne salupi pena mo track it. Police moko na bunsha. Laso. Ye gunsa na ya rinsa. Yasho. Ni akwate ubumpa. Laso. Unobium kesamini wo yasho.
Many rise, many try to bring them so to it life. Make the girl them feel it all. My thing all about the money. Tell Coleco that joke no be funny. We stay hot like the sun from morning down. I great can't cool down.
I mean they say I'm insane.
So long.
Da are
so long.
Rasta be minimum puko okay.
So long. Solar power.
This year our platform.
And that's solar power.
They just random.
Ya pono.
See your buy.
Ponobium.
Nigeria po.
Featuring Samini.
Action.
On this one.
Many rise.
Hey.
Many try to.
And it's your birthday today.
We show them solar.
Yo, my man.
Solar power.
SG.
Like the sun man a solar. Solar power. Solar power.
Hub Photography GH.
Solar.
Joe Bibia Bokode. Happy birthday to you, bro. Link you up now, me tell you, catch your minia.
We are banning what I mean. We are so polish. I am a boy. I can see Brudia. We are home. Madina Pepeni, I wouldn't boot.
Now, Madina Pepeni wouldn't boot. And I open what she say. No, buta there if you have a not you don't get buta. No, why you mean? Why you mean?
My thing all about it. Tell Coleco that joke no be funny. We stay out like the sun. I can't cool down.
Special shots going out to you, Christian. Or Bologna or Italy. Then you have to say, Acha wife, mommy, why?
This year our platform. Every way, am I able to random? Can I be rough and I see your buy a handsome? Nigeria Poli or see what action.
Many rise, many try to bring them so to it light. We show them solar power.
And tomorrow happens to be your birthday. Esther. Or the Church of Pentecost. Or Tema.
Solar power.
Mwawoda pa official panso. Nyamisha.
Solar power.
We are banning what I mean. We are so polish. I am a boy. I can see Brudia.
Puno. Oh, Debbie. Puno. Good evening, Jerry. Happy birthday, though. Belated and come on. Our respectful, hard-working, smart, and future lawyer. Mary Lisa Nate of Marymount International School, Community 25 Tema. We love her, and she should study hard and excel in Jesus' name. Amen. From the parent, Mr. Ernest Nate, and the mother, Vivian Lisa, brothers Ernest Akowa, Reginald in Kunim, and Ronald Asida Nate. All of Tema Community 25 Depth Traco. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's filler time, baby. And the president.
Check 1 2.
Our Brothers and Sisters Association.
1 2. Okay.
It's in the building.
Hello, fella.
The Fantadol.
SEM.
Oh, mommy birds.
Hello, fella.
Akwaba.
Yenya.
How are you?
Bra Jerry.
Charlie.
My attempted them make a blah blah Jerry.
It's all one kind. I know ma.
Blah jelly.
Blah jelly. Now see, the status. How do you know?
Oh.
And akaho.
No, blah jelly. Blah jelly apple me.
Nyamia do we are she.
Maybe I'll come home.
Everything is nice.
Okay, no, they are me say because all easy. You are easy.
That from there.
Okay. Brajeri in that and some no onye easy. Some no onye easy. Na mamizi kana menye public announcements behind public service announcements because you know very very important. Oh yeah, no na Bedukobi prophets wakoshan kom.
Yeah.
They obibo win match ma wan for ho. Na maram personally no na na za okodo mutimi de na nkam hu no one on one. Make me say entire na san kom shan no say what
na
Brajeri how do they feel?
It's
no, we feel it then. It's no.
But you know, sometimes when a band say and people are, going for them like I feel it for them.
Yes,
it's
exactly.
Yeah.
And see, not baby, I'm in a position.
And
because I was trying to understand.
It's such a difficult moment.
Yes.
I can feel.
You're traumatic.
And you're pleasant to be in their shoes at all. Yeah, especially in times like this.
See, Brajeri, also there on Kasa, Sister Lazi, Onyaza, Obeshe, Nasa Machobia, our pay answers, Biano, Bomazana, Quanasor Sunday. In Sunday, you all road leads to your glorious wave.
Yeah,
you're going to cut on na zo woman no. You could tell him.
Sure.
There's a bro because he's a you better you who that's a I'm a can't come bed and Brajeri and come bed.
Or say that's the work of the prophet. So because we even if a tifaso cross still for bear so
yo one can go why one can go Brajeri. Now no the shortest person. Besia, shortest woman in the world. The tallest. Na woman no actually zogunenima. Intenda na wenzi echi o Facebook no ebe miss. Because by the video no video no ho.
Any time no ye intimi anya ntem na. Because
important for 2 more. Michael Blankson.
Etu patcho momra your Facebook on na mo mehwe why na Adom 106.3 from Facebook.
Enufo no ya ashigogo enufu papa mesha mami mo small war no jina anya asam kakra Brajeri. I didn't come to play. I didn't come to play. Discovery. At
Jesus. No way. But the tallest no na nesne the vampire teach bear no
so no say no chede ya bofia ya na ma mo wonder where you could do
Jesus Lord
because the mami why you want to see him fantastic
no this is strange what ka some would you na see wow hey
easy
Titia, but the Titia so cute. Obi baby.
Moshisha na mashata bando. Shata bando ya mako tribo so wako nyimo bine ba wako tunu bezin na say ala nti. But se kam na mashata bando la. Nko ba fa pa da line no. Eja ka shata bando goes international. Yaman have cast baby. Chocolate baby.
You are seeing some doors home. But the short girl, short woman, are very active. Are you?
So I was saying, when you know,
you're going anywhere. But tallest one. Washi go. Utianye yina ba ku free toss wa.
Anya some kakra but when you be free.
Washi go dread.
With my pay. Okay, Brajeri. It's no na nka time ni wo want na kampede nka yehwe Moyisha Budon but me sure the mobile bia no video no ze we pepem bebre nkofo bebre we hu za orokodo na oye the sisiara no anapa no mu no na nkofo more kan de o Moyisha Budon wasesa no preach but oye kakra no you know people have seen another part of the story another part of the video you na adwena hye dan ko no because e raba no ehwe most man na posture most what to form na itum hu there no why fi.
Yeah.
Her
hands were even dirty. As a nice or then said they are grow and remove from or something. I mean,
and for her to say she almost jumped off a building. Or to know how to form we could no it. It's no either Pai yen I Srama Moisha Budon. Za Oruko Dubia, one abra bomunum yen, they are coupon who tumna wajan on quan. Into no bradery, impano, the Feda Bomozana and Tam Way, Boman, Boman. Okay, into bradery Mosor do some zepe more quadum online, able who need our honor, Mammy Boatema, the Fantido, President for the Brothers and Sisters Association, Masardo.
Yeah, that's it. Abu Swaya, sorry, Sonia, the Asdaka Cinema, Vodafone saying, can't you also the good morning offer? Now you can have an even greater morning with Vodafone good morning offer. And one say, sir, good morning, by the way, Emma, unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, and a 500 MB of data. Now, by the way, it works with any other bundle you will have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial star 543 hash to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana city. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can.
Hey, me network in Bafiame. I was sending mobile money. See me with our Keska. So charges some 380 cedis. Who send this account charges on? Wait there, some $10 so. Miniati. So we move work of Vodafone cash and can we save this Cabebre. Vodafone cash. That's me network need dear. Who send this account was our network and also. Yet who send this account free with network and also aqua network for front. And also yet name tia some dead depa. Send this account with Vodafone cash swap. Are free? Who send this account free Vodafone cash? I got network BR swap and also you free. Masa into work catch me. What that's so you then was sour network and also move for bra Vodafone cash says yeah. Hey masa, let's ship not to ball Mrs. I know say dear. Who send this account with Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap and you free. Send this account do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial star 110 has to see in the Sandisika.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Slow down. She make slow down. Slow down, slow down. She said we didn't move too fast. When we take them easy. She said make hold on. What we could do, I know them have this.
And that's my man Kim Promise on this one. Slow down. Yes, bringing down the whole show. Now for the news out to us, we'll be out of here. That's what it is. Meantime, special dedication going out to you, Angie, of the Baby Das Pub inside Mamprobi, Ayalulu. Enjoy your day from Jamestown J. Cole. Bonnie Akwesi on Facebook says it's a birthday today. That's Betha. Etu Bonnie. Okay. And then now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on that note, it's checkout time already. Yep. Time to check out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. It's been nice coming your way with a Tuesday's edition of your own show, Ophir Kwenso. With me, Jerry Justice. As like I say, come on, so on here tonight. Yami Sharpa. Now, stadium, come on, producers, no Papa Bills, African. To my man, James Star J. Cole. To the last sound for Jade, and then Kwame Obwa, dear. Assembly about Copa as always. We show you now what Chiano, now what Syria train. It's an say we are simple. Nipa and Seshe. Thanks so much for your time with us. And do have a great evening. We are out of here.